In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix text-free request failed with error 1062. So let's get started. Now let's look at what does this error even mean. Now this means that text-free cannot verify your request, your IP, country or device is restricted, or there are too many sign-ups or requests in a short time, or they've detected a VPN or proxy. Now, how can we fix this issue? Well, we have many fixes that are worth trying. So, the first one and the most important one is turn off any VPN or proxy. So, disable all VPNs and disable private DNS or iCloud private relay, and then restart your phone. Then we have change internet. So, try mobile data instead of Wi-Fi or use a different Wi-Fi network. Then we have wait before retrying. Now if you tried many times, then wait like 1 to 2 days and do not keep retrying during this period, because this obviously extends the block. Then we have reinstall tax free. So uninstall it, then restart your phone and then reinstall it from the official store, and then open and sign up once only. Then use a different Gmail. So you should obviously make a new email, and then do not reuse emails which are already linked to text-free, so you have to use a brand new email. Then there's also region limitations, and this is something very common. Now text-free works best in USA and Canada, and now if you're in any other different country, then this error cannot be fixed, because even using VPNs will still fail because they can detect that you're using a VPN. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that I helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.